This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
How to create an image gallery in WordPress. So to create an image gallery in WordPress, navigate to your WordPress website and first decide which page you want to add the image gallery to. In this case, I will be adding these three images of the apple, orange, and pear to the home page of the website inside of an image gallery. So to do that, navigate to Dashboard and go to the page that you want to add the image gallery to. So in this case, it's going to be Home Page. So I click inside of Home Page, and here make sure to select Visual Editor. In Visual Editor, what you want to do is click the Add Image button. Alright, and there's multiple options. I will select the Transform to Gallery. So here it allows me to create a gallery. So I'm going to upload the apple, the pear, and the apple, the orange, and the pear. So it's taking a while to upload these three images. Okay, so now that they've been uploaded, this gallery has been created. Now if I want to, I can also add captions like apple, orange, and this one will be pear. And to preview my image gallery, I click the preview button on the top right, and here is my image gallery. So, so this is how you create an image gallery in WordPress.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.